You can't stand the kind that shed. You don't like the ones named Fred. You say some even look like a bathroom mat. How come you don't like cats? They leave fur all over your clothes. They keep biting at your toes. They aren't declawed yet, they've ruined your hat. How come you don't like cats? Meowing at all hours of the nighttime. Faces chewed up, now cats are fighting. Constantly eating is making him real fat. How come you don't like cats? Ripping buttons off your sleeves. The whole house smells of cat pee. Can we get a dog and take him back? I can see why you don't like cats. Meowing at all hours of the nighttime. Fences chewed up, two cats are fighting. Constantly eating is making him real fat. How come you don't like cats? You really don't. His fur now makes you sneeze. I think that he now has fleas. Oh boy, now he has got a rat. Now I really don't like cats. I wanna chase him with a baseball bat. We really don't like cats. Thank you and have a good day. Meow.